even being evicted off premises.
Yeah.
Wisdom is out of the game.
I think Noble's just letting them piggyback.
Yeah. This feels like a weird ride to have on a fair circuit.
Yeah, I was gonna say just like the idea is like, oh, I rode a Tagada in America.
Tagada Americano. Tagada Americano. Tagada. 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 Hey, can I stand up and dance a little?
I wish. I don't think they would like it.
I gotta recreate the beat.
Then do the backflip.
We're all just chilling here. If I ever go to Toronto, I'll be the big one. Have you done one of those motors before? Oh wow!
I just did that earlier.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this moves. Okay.
The SBF motors are really, really good.
They are.
Yes. I've ridden the one that was on display last year, and I'm going to ride one in Santiago next month. Dominican Republic. Dominican Republic opened a new park, and I'm going to go to it. So,
That's awesome.
The social media guy's supposed to be here today. I'm over here to see him.
This is a lot more fight than I was expecting. I'm surprised. Eagle.
God. I can't believe we get the same. I can't believe we got the same ridden a Tagada now.
I know. In America, by the way.
I mean, it's a little one.
I don't know.
It has seatbelts, but
I don't know if you know RGL, but I gotta tag him.
What?
You know RGL? Roblox Guide Lion?
No.
Oh. I know he's posted in